I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but this is a 2024 Expedition with around 10,000 miles on it. Had a unfortunate incident with a snowbank. So as you can see, this rear upper control arm is tweaked just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and get this replaced. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove this one 18 millimeter. And this is just like a tie rod end or a ball joint. Let's smack it, see if it comes out. Okay, it will come out, but I gotta take out that other spot part there. Next thing I'm gonna do is remove this 27 millimeter right here. So this is what the 27 looks like. It's got this bracket on the back to hold the nut in place. You don't have to hold anything. And it's got these two pins to lock it in place. I guess that's so you can put a alignment adjustment in there if needed. So once both of them are removed, I should be able to get this out pretty easily. But it being bent like that is slightly hampering that process. There we go. Got that all. There it is, and you can see the damage. All right. I'll put a link down in the description for parts if I can find them. This vehicle is really new, but this is what the new one looks like. I'm hoping it should go in pretty straightforward. I'm going to put the ball joint in first. And just pull out on it slightly. I was able to get that back part put in. So as you can see in the video, those two line up with the two little holes in there. This bolt hole is slotted up here, so you can get a camber kit with an eccentric cam to put in there to make it adjustable. I'm hoping we're not going to have to do that. This is a pretty new vehicle. So I got that part put back on the rear. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up here quick. That's 27 millimeter once again. All right, now that I got that one tightened up over there, I'm going to go ahead and snug up our 18. You don't want to crank this thing down. It's self-locking nut. I need a longer Yeah, that's a self-locking nut. If you tighten it down too much, it'll make the joint wear out quicker because the vehicle won't be able to flex. It will actually squeeze it together. So that is how you replace a upper control arm on one of these. I hope this video helps someone. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description if I can find the parts. And please like and subscribe. Thanks.